Hi, my name is Prasenjit and I work for BMC Atrium Orchestrator product. Welcome to the last part of the video series on installing CS Sign certificates in BAO. Till now, in the previous videos, we have covered the concept of certificates and installed the signed certificates in Atrium SSO, repository, CDP, and HACDP. In this video, we'll install the signed certificate in the last component, that is, the OCP. Let's get started. This is my server with OCP installed. I have already taken the backup of the existing keystore and trust store files and also stopped the OCP service. Now let's start by deleting the .keystore file. The keystore file is located within Tomcat conf directory. Once deleted, we'll generate a new keystore using the command. Now provide the certificate details. Our new keystore file is now created. Now we'll generate a certificate signing request using this new keystore file. For this, run the following command. As you can see, our BAO OCP.csr file is created and placed inside the Tomcat conf directory. Here it is. Now, we need to provide this file to the certificate authority to generate the CA sign certificates. For the purpose of this video, I have already generated the CA sign certificate for this server. I'll now copy all these certificates and place it in the Tomcat conf directory of OCP. In addition to these, I'll also copy the CDP server certificate and the HACDP server certificate and put it under the same directory. Now, we need to import the certificate chain of OCP into the newly created keystore. For that, run the following command. Provide the password, type in yes, and the certificate chain has been added successfully to the keystore. Next, we need to add the OCP server's root certificate in the OCP's JVM trust store file, that is the CSCert and JSSC CSCert. For that, let's run this command where at first we'll add the root certificate in the OCP instance's CSCerts file. Now run the same command and this time we'll import the certificate in JSSC CSCerts. The certificate has now been successfully added to the trust store. Now, since OCP will communicate with both CDP and HACDP, those certificates must also be added to the OCP's trust store. So let's start by adding the CDP certificate to the CSCerts file of OCP. Now let's run the same command against JSSC CSCerts. The CDP certificates are now added successfully in the OCP's trust store. Now let's repeat the same step for HACDP. With this, the certificate import process is completed. Now, before we start the OCP service, we need to re-register the OCP agent. For that, go to the Atrium SSO console and delete the OCP agent. Next, go to the OCP Tomcat folder and delete the ATSSO agents directory. Lastly, let's run the agent re-registration command. The process is now completed. Now, we'll start the OCP service. Now, allow a minute for the OCP to come online. Now here we have the OCP agent and it's running successfully. Let's log into the OCP URL. As you can see, our OCP is running successfully and our connection is encrypted. I hope you enjoyed the video series and are now familiar with the concept and process of installing CSIN certificates in Atrium Orchestrator. Stay tuned for more BAO videos.